What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to unlock your scooter to 32 km per hour in 2026. So here I have the Ninebot E2 Pro, and as you see, it's unlocked to 32 km per hour. It's the maximum speed for E2 Pro. And actually there is only one method available in 2026 how to unlock E2 Pro. Actually, it's only the software methods are not working right now, and only the methods is the hardware. Here I have the controller. So what you need to do is to order the controller from AliExpress or any other website. I will leave a link in the comment below, and replace it. Also, it's pretty simple. Actually, replacing takes around 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So very fast, and no technical background is needed. After this, in case you have the German version, the D version, you will increase your speed from 20 to 32 km per hour in sport mode and 25 in the drive mode. Eco mode still 15. For others who has 25 already in sport mode, it will be 32 in a sport mode and 25 in the drive mode. Actually, it's very nice to update it and use the maximum out of your scooter, and the price of it is actually quite cheap. It's around $25–30 usually costs. When it's arrived, you can check the video in the comment below how to replace it. It's actually pretty simple. You unscrew here 6 screws, and inside you have this controller. So you put out the old one, install the new one, and then you can enjoy the 32 km per hour. Unfortunately, the software methods are not available for this scooter, but it works well for this and many other Ninebot scooters. Controller replacement works well in 2026.